if you read verse 5, it says, we remember the fish which we did eat in Egypt.
Sikhumbula ofishe sasibadla eGibhithe.
So now, here's the third attitude God does not want you to have.
Nansi ke uNkulunkulu into angafuna ube nayo.
When you are dwelling on the past,
Uma uhleli kuyimumva.
when you are dwelling on the things that used to happen at the back,
Uma uthi uhleli kwizinto ezazenzeka emuva.
when you make a monument out of a moment,
Wenza ke isithixo kuyinto eyenzeka
there are things
umzuzwana.
that happened,
Kunezinto ezenzeka
whether painful or good.
ezinhle noma ezimbi.
God says, I'm doing a new thing.
Uthi uNkulunkulu ngenza into
And
entsha.
you won't be able to go forward
Wena ngeke ukwazi ukuya
if you
phambili.
keep on looking to the back.
Uma uqhubeka ubheke emuva.
Whether it's something good or bad,
Noma into enhle noma yimbi.
those are the attitudes you must not have.
Ama attitude la ongamela ube
The
nawo.
Israelites, they said, hey, we remember the fish,
Bathi hayi siyabakhumbula ofishi lapha.
forgetting about the milk and honey
Bakhohlwa ubisi
that God has
noju.
prepared for them.
uNkulunkulu abalungisele kona.
Don't look at what you used to do,
Ungabheki izinto owujwayele
the
ukuzenza.
great things you used to do.
Izinto ezinkulu
Hey,
owuzenza.
I used to be very smart.
Ukuthi mina mengihlakaniphile.
Hey, I was very good.
Ukuthi mina bengimuhle
Hey,
mina.
I was the best of the best.
Mina bengiwumbest nje
Hey,
kuphela.
but look at me now.
Athi ngibheke manje.
Then you are disqualifying yourself
Wena manje kuyayidisqualify
from being used by God.
ukuthi usetshenziswe uNkulunkulu.
Even God himself he says that don't remember the things of the past. He
Ngisho uNkulunkulu uthi ungakhumbula izinto
says that
zasemuva.
I am doing a new thing.
Uthi ngenza into entsha.
One thing about God, he wants to live in the heart.
Ufuna uNkulunkulu ukuhlala enhlizweni.
He doesn't want to live in the mind.
Akafuna ukuhlala engqondweni.
One thing about your brain,
Ingqondo yakho
it always takes you to the back
ihlezi kubuyisela emumva.
so that you regret your past.
Ukuze ke uzokhumbula imumva
Your
lakho.
brain, what it does,
Ingqondo yakho
it
yenza.
always wants to go to the future
Ifuna uhlezi kuya phambili.
so that you worry about tomorrow,
Ukuze uzokhathazeka
so that you
ngekusasa.
boast about tomorrow.
Ukuze uzokhambisa
But that's not
ngekusasa.
where God wants you to live.
Akufana la uNkulunkulu afuna
He
uphile
says that he
khona.
wants you to live here,
Athi ngifuna uphile la.
in the now.
Manje
Do not
kuyimanje.
remember the things of the past.
Ungakhumbula izinto zasemuva.
Do not worry about the future.
Ungakhathazeki ngekusasa.
One thing about God's promises,
Nansi into ngeyithembiso
when
kaNkulunkulu.
you are going through the fire,
Uma udlula emlilweni,
he says that I am with you.
uthi nginawe.
Oh,
Kanje
in the tribulation,
ekuhlushweni
there are
kwakho.
people that are saying that I'm going to kill you.
Kunabantu abathi ngizokubulala.
The promise he gives you is
Isithembiso akunika
that
sona.
I am with you
Uthi nginawe
now.
manje.